Fully loaded with amp and effect models for guitar, bass, and vocals, the rack-mounted Pod X3 Pro gives you versatility with all the ins and outs you need for studio or stage. Pod X3 Pro offers powerful dual-tone modeling, and with a multitude of routing options, you have the freedom to create in ways you never thought possible. Split your guitar through 2 different amp and effect setups at the same time, or use the dual inputs to play guitar and sing at the same time. The comprehensive ins and outs of Pod X3 are in a class all their own. At any given time, you have all the connections you need to record a pro-quality album or play your next sold-out show. Let's take a closer look. The channel strip style front panel I/O for Pod X3 Pro gives you 2 XLR inputs, each with their own trim control, low-cut shelf, 20 dB pad, signal and clip indicator lights, and 48-volt phantom power. They also have 2 1/4-inch instrument inputs, each with their own 20 dB pad. The X3 family interface gives you drive, bass, mid, treble, presence, and verb controls, as well as independent tone volume and a master volume. You also have direct access to amp, stomp, mod, delay, or verb from the front panel. From the screen, you can see your entire signal chain at a glance, with buttons to take you home, show you your inputs or outputs, and to turn any effect on or off. On the back, you have stereo line level inputs, stereo unprocessed outs tapped directly off the 1/4-inch inputs on the front. These are perfect for running a completely dry signal to your DAW, which you can reamp later with the included plugin. You also have stereo 1/4-inch live outs that can be set to amp or line, so you can put them right in front of your amp or into the mixing board. Stereo studio direct outputs that can be set to mic or line for running directly to the board. You also have a full stereo 1/4-inch effects send and return to run additional rack-mounted effects. For a direct digital connection to your DAW, you have stereo SPDIF in and out, and stereo AES EBU in and out, MIDI in, out, and through. There's a Variax digital interface connection to power and control a Variax guitar. There's an FBV pedal jack for use with any of our FBV series of foot controllers, and a USB 2.0 jack. With the USB 2.0 connectivity, computer-based studios can take advantage of up to 8 channels of full 24-bit audio. And with the included plug-in functionality, you have the freedom to go back and add effects or reamp any of your dry signals. All of these features make Pod X3 Pro the most versatile rack processor ever. Plug in today and be ready for anything.